Welcome to the section of learning JavaScript. Here we will embark on your journey into the fundamental aspect of the JavaScript language. Throughout the course, you will gain a solid understanding of important concepts of JavaScript. These include variables, data types, operators, if-else statement, and much more. These topics are essential for building a strong foundation in learning JavaScript. While we will certainly get to the exciting world of crafting beautiful user interfaces in the later part of this course, our primary focus in this section is to establish a solid grasp of the language basics. Consider these lectures as your foundational stepping stones guiding you through the language's core principles and giving you a comprehensive overview before we delve deeper into more advanced sections. Now, without further ado, let's kickstart this exciting journey into the realm of JavaScript. Now, let's take our initial step in writing JavaScript code for the sake of a swift start. We will begin in the browser developers tools. Later in the upcoming video, we will transition to the code editor that we were using. Please ensure you have Google Chrome open. If you recall from previous lessons, we can access Chrome developer tools by right clicking here and then hitting on inspect. However, our focus today is solely on the console tab. This area is your JavaScript developer console, a handy tool for writing and testing JavaScript code. It's particularly useful during development, helping us identify and rectify errors. While we won't be constructing entire application in this console, it serves as an excellent starting point for writing some initial JavaScript. Let's begin by writing our first line of code. Type alert followed by open parentheses without any space. Insert your message within a double quotes such as hello world. Then add closing parentheses. Now after adding hello world and adding this closing parentheses, press enter or return and you will observe a pop-up window displaying hello world precisely as you entered it. That's your very first line of JavaScript code. In this console, any code you write and execute will be immediately evaluated. Now let's explore further. For now, you don't need to grasp all the details. We are just experimenting to showcase the possibilities as we advance through the section. You will gain a deeper understanding. For instance, let's introduce a variable type let a is equal to 4. We are assigning a numerical value here. You can also create a const using const keyword, and here we are setting b is equal to 6, and then after this press enter and here write let c is equal to a plus b. To display the result, enter console.log and then in between these parentheses enter the name of this variable, which is c, and then press enter. The console will evaluate your expression as you can see on the screen. Here we have 4, then we have 6, and here we are adding both of these values, and here we have the answer of 10. We will delve into the inner working of all these concepts in subsequent section. I trust that you are beginning to see the logic behind it. I hope this gives you a satisfying initial glimpse into the world of JavaScript and all that lies ahead.